ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम विघ्नेश्वराय नमः. कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरुं. So this is one tree at Ganapati Sachidananda Ashram. So this is another tree. So usually we know that Mulato Brahmarupaya, Madhyato Vishturupaya, Agrato Sivarupaya. So this is Vruksha Rajaya Namo Namaha. Brahmarupaya, Madhyato Vishturupaya, Agrato Sivarupaya. This is the sloka for Ashwadha Vruksha. Ashwadha Vruksha is like a banyan tree, I think. So Moolam, the Moolam is Brahma Swarupam. Moolam means the roots. So for a tree, how the roots are there, how important is the roots? From the roots only the water will come. So Moolam Brahma Swarupam. That root comes as Brahma Tattva. Madhyato Vishnurupaya, Madhyamam. Ante the branches, the stem and its branches. So this is how the water that is taken from the roots will go to the leaves through the trunk, that is the stem and branches. That is the Vishnu Tattva. And Agrato Sivarupaya. So here Agra means the ultimate, the top are the leaves. The leaves are the Shiva Tattva. So the water that is taken from the roots is distributed through the xylem and phloem, you know that in the trees, to the leaves. Even in the leaf also that brown thing will be there, that brown thing, like just like blood vessels, that brown thing in biology we read. So that is Shiva Tattvam. Sorry, that entire thing extending up to that leaf, that part of the branch will be there, na? That leaf will be like we all in our biology we read. So that brown thing will be there. So that is the Vishnu Tattva. And the leaves comes around the Shiva Tattva. So the leaves also will undergo the respiration, na? Swasa Utsva. So that's what Utswasa Niswasa Alato Soham. So that is the Shiva Tattva. So for example, this is the leaf. So when this is the leaf, we know this entire thing. So this is that. So from the roots to the branches, through this water comes to the leaves through this. So this part, this entire part, the branch to the branches, this entire thing conducts the, you know, this main mid one and this side branches. These are all the things that conduct the water from the biology. We know that from the root the water enter into the stem, to the branches, the trunk, and enter finally into the leaves. This water, that is the prana. So this water comes right now as the prana. The prana Shakti comes through the roots, and then so that root is nothing, the Brahma Tattva, that conduction. So that's what, that creation, sustenance and dissolution or destruction. So what these leaves will do, the leaves will respiration, that swasa niswasa, utswasa niswasa. Human also that breathe, soham, that some soham meditation of this one art of living, Sudarshana Kriya, soham meditation is art of living. He also said the soham, and soham is not like art of living Ravi Shankar ji only. It's like soham is our ancients. Soham, that respiration is soham, inspiration, expiration. So these leaves we call Uchvasa and Ichvasa. So this entire things happen from the air. So that is the Shiva Tattva. Shiva Tattva is that leaf that from the air, that photosynthesis is happening, and respiration also entire thing happens at the leaf only. And the first thing that fall is the leaves will dry and go, na? That even though the roots, the trunk will be there, the leaves will sometime fall and new leaves will come, like the fruits will come. So all these things, that is Shiva Tattva, that leaves someday will dry and fall down. So the main thing for this tree to sustain is the Panchabhutas. Once again, the Panchabhutas, the five elements, like the trees or the earth. The earth is the one that the earth, and then it is occupying the space is the Akasha Tattva, and the air is what it is, the leaves are in touch with the air, and water comes through the earth, and light is the Agni Rupa. So the Pancha Tattvas, Panchabhutas, and that's what. So a human also will be like that, just like leaf, one day we all fall off. So where we are getting the prana is just like the water is coming, that's what the prana is there. So that's why this is the, so a human should grow to a level of a tree, like thing is one philosophy behind the Mulato Brahmam, Majjito Vishnum, Agrato Shivam, Vruksha Rajaya Namo Namah. So that is that the fig tree is the Vruksha Raja. Of all the trees, it is like a king. So that fig tree, the fig tree comes under the banyan tree also, banyan tree only. So this is the sloka of, so that leaves are the representative of some people. They say it is the human beings, that creation is like that only. So one day we are also will go, the leaves will fall, but once again new leaves will come, fruits, flowers, everything will come, but the trunk and the root will be like that only. So that this is what the philosophy behind Mulato Brahmarupaya, Majjato Vishnurupaya, Akrato Shivarupaya, Vruksha Rajaya Namo Namaha.